If you are also struggling to make money in crypto market, then this video is for you, because in this video I will be revealing how to effectively make money into crypto without losing a lot of money as a gambling. So if I talk about the market, so you see in every week and 2 weeks we see a very different narrative, different meta into the meme coins are coming. Sometimes peanut, sometimes chill guy, and sometimes goat AI meme, and a lot of things are happening into the market. But how to chase them, and even it is required to chase them. So the point is, what do you want? If you want to make money in crypto, I think it's very easy if you can control your temptation to rotate into every new meta and narrative. And if you can hold into some strong leading altcoins, leading tokens, then I think it will be very easy to make money without losing a lot of by gambling into the different new narrative and some meme coins. So this is the Banter Bubbles website, and if you see today, which is like green, almost all the tokens are green. And if you see weekly, we have green market. So currently Bitcoin is trading at around $95,000, and a lot of people are continuously jumping their tokens from one meme to another meme, one alt to another alt, and one narrative to another narrative. So I think the only way to make the money into the market is to first do your own research, proper theory, proper conviction, and then ape into those tokens and try to hold them for the long term. Because if you can hold any token for the long term, based on my experience from past 2 cycles, I have seen that almost all the tokens, almost all the narratives actually pump. And that is the beauty of this crypto market. So if sometimes you will get the feeling that your token is not pumping for the months, but suddenly you will see once you sell your tokens and you rotate to somebody else, then your token pumped like 5x in a week or 2 weeks. And then you realize you should be there. So that is the key to win into this market. What is the key is to find it out. Best tokens that you believe, that market believes, and just hold those tokens for the long term. Try to maximize the duration, at least I would say 8 to 9 months from now, which is October of 2025. And if I show you like where the people actually lose a lot of money. So this is the platform GMGN. What they do, they just go and just see something cool here, painting is Devika, and so they just buy in the hope of that this token will do 100x or 1000x, and one day they will have $1 million in their bag. So the chances of getting that 100x hit is 0.011% chances. And if you are lucky that much, then it's okay, then you can try it out. But if you are very serious to make money, then you have to be very serious with your temptation. So this is GMGN, and another very beautiful platform to lose a lot of money, which is Pump.fun. And I don't prefer to trade on these platforms. I just wait for these tokens to be mature enough so that they come on Dex Screener and they can show some good amount of volume, good amount of market cap, and then only I see to trade them, not hold them. And I try to take like 2x, 3x, 4x profit and just leave them. So that is my theory, but I don't do this with my main portfolio. I would say I trade on Dex Screener tokens with just 1% portfolio, and my 99% of the portfolio is at one place, which has not even moved a single token from past 2, 3, 4 months. So that is the thing that I personally follow. You might have a very different approach with this market, but this is what I personally prefer. I personally find a very good tokens and try to hold them for the whole run and see what is the gain that I will get. And in my experience, the gain would be really fruitful in the future. So one thing that I would like to reveal in this video is my portfolio construction. So that will help you, like how I'm able to find the good tokens that I personally believe. So if you see the BTC, so basically you can see now we are into the phase 2 of the bull cycle. The mania phase is not yet begin, but we are into mid mania phase where the Bitcoin skyrocket to 60,000, 65,000 to like 100k, and even we can see a very high price target in a very 15-20 days, which is 110 maybe. So let's see. But if the Bitcoin is starts moving maybe sideline into this range, which is 85 to 110k, then it's a very high possibility that we will see a very good run into the altcoins and altcoin market. So if you see the total 3, so we are also starts showing some green signals into the alt market, and we are moving up. We are like this and going up. So how I have constructed my portfolio, let me show you. So this is coin market cap, and you can see these are my tokens which I am holding right now. And if I summarize them into the sheet, so this is the portfolio. So what I have right now is into the asset, I have Tau, which is the BitTensor leading AI token, and I'm hoping that this can do at least 10x from here. Not at least, I would say 8 to 10x, which will be a very fair trade for me, because 10x 8x is really good with very low risk. I have some one exposure into the gaming sector as well, which is Ronin, and I'm expecting 10 to 15x into this. This is again another narrative which I am touching, and this is API 3, which is the, I would say, beta play for the Chainlink. You know, the oracles, the uses of oracle. So every lending and borrowing platform requires oracle price feeds so that they can liquidate the positions. So Chainlink has a market cap in billions, which is 15 to 20 billion. And this API 3 is standing at just 200 and 300 million market cap. And they have partnered with a lot of great protocols, and a lot of big teams are using this API 3 solutions. And recently they have launched OEV network, which is the first of kind into the oracle, where they are actually making real money, profitable company, which is insane. So I see a lot of potential into API 3, and that's why I have 25% of the holding into the API 3, and I'm hoping this can do at least 20x from here. Next, which is Popcat. Why Popcat? So if you see this now, these are the 3 altcoins that I'm holding, and these are the meme coins. These 4 meme coins I'm holding. And why Popcat with the 20% of the holding? So this is a very simple explanation I've posted here. Yes, interesting to see price action of Popcat, which is sitting at 1.3 billion market cap with no major exchange listings. If you know, the Popcat was at 2 billion market cap, and still no big exchange listing, no Binance, no Coinbase, no Robinhood, no OKX, with the holder count 110k. This is insane. So if everything goes right, and once the market starts picking it, we will see Popcat to the moon. And this is what I have conviction, and that's why I'm holding 20% of Popcat into my portfolio, and I'm hoping that this can do 20 to 25x from here. Let's see, because GCR has also predicted that CAT token will lead this cycle. This is what I have also posted about the Popcat, where it is. Just let me go down. All right, so GCR has also predicted about the CAT token, and Popcat is the leading meme coin, and that's why I am betting my 20% of the portfolio size to the Popcat. Second, Pepe. Yeah, I have 5% of holding, and currently now this is sitting at around $8 to $9 billion market cap, and this is on top of like Robinhood, Binance, Coinbase, everywhere. And hoping this is going to lead the Ethereum play, which is at least 5 to 8x. If you see in the previous cycle, Doge was at around 70 billion, and this cycle we can expect around $150 billion. So if Doge will go to the $150 billion plus market cap, then we will see at least 2 and 3 meme coins, at least 2 and 3 50 plus, and maybe 100 billion plus. And who are those tokens? So basically these tokens, Pepe, VIF, and Popcat. So this could also go up to 15x, who knows. 100 billion market cap Pepe, 100 billion market cap Popcat. And then I have SPX. So this is Murad's favorite coin, and I'm holding 15% of SPX. I know my portfolio is a very risky portfolio, but this is what I love to try. Let's see what's gonna happen. So I'm holding SPX, which is 15%. And this, they have very delusional target that they just want to flip the stock market with the crypto market cap. If everything goes right, then SPX can do at least 100x from here. I'm hoping this is insane. This is the only gambling bet in my opinion. So even I'm expecting if this can do 10 to 20x, I will be very happy with SPX. VIF, again, Coinbase, Binance, Robinhood. This meme coin is everywhere, and this is the beta play for the Solana. So this can also do at least 10 to 15x. And this is what I want. And I have like some exposure to other meme coins, maybe GOAT, which is the AI meme coin, and some other altcoins such as Ionate, RSS3, and different tokens. So this is, if you see, the average expected ROI of this portfolio is around 10x. If I'm able to do 10x of $10,000, so if suppose my portfolio size is $10,000, if I'm able to do 10x with my portfolio by avoiding a lot of risk, a lot of stress of finding new tokens, what else you are looking for into this market? What else you are looking for? Why you have a temptation to always rotate your tokens from one to another and stressing out by just going into the trending list of the tokens? Why your token is not pumping? That is your fault, not the fault of the market. You have to stay calm. You have to stop your temptation. And it is easy to do 10x. And what do you want? This is the most rewarding market, most rewarding time where you are getting 10x. What else you're looking for? I think this is what you should try it out. So that's all from my side about the how to make money in crypto and what are the ways where you can actually make money without risking, I would say with less risk, into the market. So this is all about the portfolio construction and making money. So if you have any question, you can write it down into the comment section. I will reply individually. And you can also join my Telegram channel. I will put the link into the description box of this video so that you can join there. I will be posting a very good not alpha actually, but basically information related to the market, what I personally think, what are my opinions. And you can also follow me on Twitter. I usually post 1 or 2 tweets per day, but I think what is important, that only I post there. So you can go and try it out, and I hope I'm able to help you out in this crypto market portfolio construction and making money into crypto. Thank you. See you into the next video.